Gold and silver started off the week on a slightly bullish note here, despite all the uncertainties prevailing, despite all the rising tensions across the Middle East. We have not seen gold reflecting the same in the price movement. Yes, the bulls appear not to be very much active, and it requires a greater effort for price to break out on the upside. So what to expect? Are we looking forward to a further rise, or the highs are done and we should look forward to a drop from here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today and silver as well? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We are not only going to look at the charts, but also I'm going to give you the levels for a trade, be it on the buy side or on the sell side, both for gold and silver. And this is the first update. The next update will be released before the US session, so do not miss to watch that as well. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, when you look at gold on the hourly chart, see, it is showing a rise, then a retracement, and see this line here. This is the 20 period moving average line. It is offering a very good support for gold here. Thus, it is important for gold to breach this line in order to turn bearish. As long as this line is respected, we can expect it another round of bump, which can take it towards the highs. The highs now are placed at around 3480. But also you should see there is a greater resistance offered at 3450 level. So ideally, the bullishness is only and only if this zone is breached 3450 and prices stays above this, closer of the candle is above this, you can expect bullishness to prevail, and then we can expect it to move towards 3466, 67, and then towards 3480 levels as the next targets. Right now, on the downside, the support is pretty strong, and thus it is very important for gold to trade below 3430, 3428 zone, which will confirm the reversal. The stochastic here has dropped. The MACD is trading with moderate bearishness here, looking downwards, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, the observation here also is more or less same, though the divergence, it is running parallel from the 20 period moving average with a delta here. The 20 period moving average is sitting right now at somewhere here at around 34.15, 34.14 zone. That should be the next support if the price is trades below 34.30.28. Now, when you look at the near term movement, see, after the rise, you have seen a little retracement. It has got the support at 3300, and since then it is trading bullish. And this is an exceptionally bullish zone or channel in which it is trading as of now, looking upwards, not showing any signs of reversal. A stochastic here is placed comfortably. Look at the MACD. After a good rise, it is now willing to cross over for sell. This sell crossover might invite slight bears here. Right now, it is not that it cannot rise further, but we have seen for the last 3 times prices reversing from the same zone. And if it replicates the same phenomena, we can expect a reversal from the current levels. The RSI is placed at the top. On the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same. Yes, despite all the rise, we have seen a struggle at around 3450 levels for gold. Very important for the prices to close above 3450, 54 zone in order to confirm further rise. Also notice it's a steep bullish channel here. Higher lows are respected, and thus the bearishness today is only and only if it trades below 3428 and in fact 3410 levels here, which will invite more bearishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. The RSI is sitting at the top. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation is here on the 4-hour chart. See, this is the first base at 3380. Since then, we have seen bullishness prevailing. After the rise, we have seen a little retracement. Another base is created at 3410. With that as base, prices have seen a good rise. So now it is very important for gold to break 3410, 3380 in order to confirm a complete reversal. Else it is still staying bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading with extreme divergence and bullishness, and the RSI is overbought here on the 4-hour charts. Coming to the daily chart. Now, on the daily charts, one part here is after this nice flag formation, it has given a breakout here. Now, notice after every rise, it tries to retrace first, second, and this is the third attempt. And if you see this, it is beautifully connected as of now. Every time it has hit the highs, it has attempted to move towards the lows. The lows right now towards 20 and 50 period moving average. The 50 period sitting at 3300, the 20 period sitting at around 3360 levels. And hence, if it tries to reverse these zones, these levels are going to offer a very good support here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD, now see, this is important. After staying flat here, the MACD has crossed over for a buy. It is not that it cannot cross over and take a dip here. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. The RSI is rising. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts. We have understood the levels as well. And if you're also willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my 33rd mentorship batch. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you are just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which can offer you SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. It is very important to have a safe place for you to trade. Where there are no SWIFT fees, no hidden charges. Do join it today and enjoy trading. So first thing is where to buy. Now today there is interestingly a broader no trade zone. I will recommend you to buy only if you see it staying above 34, 52, 54 levels. Yes, if you see gold trading above 34, 52, 54, you can initiate a buying entry, you can initiate a buying position, expect 34, 66, 68 as the first target zone. And if that is taken, then 3480 should be the next. Beyond 3480, it's 3500 directly, which is also a double top level. And if at all gold decides to stay above 3500, it's a breakout, it's a bullish breakout. You can just stay bullish for the near term in gold prices, where in fact 35, 50, 3600 cannot be denied. But I'll say gold prices for the near term appear to be a bit exhausted, and we are trading in a slightly overbought territory on the long term charts, on the monthly charts, on the weekly charts, and hence the upside the prices has to reverse very soon. Let's see when this pinnacle point arrives. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 34 levels. Once it trades below 34, expect 34.28, 26 as the first target zone, 34.18, 20 as the next. And if these three levels, see, on the downside, supports are very nearby. Till 34.10, we have got very good support here for gold price. Once it trades below 34.10, you can expect that we can in fact look forward to 33.92.94 and 33.80 levels. 33.80 is a very critical number for gold to trade below, because once it trades below 33.80, we are looking forward to 33.60, and below 33.60 it is going to be 33.36 and 3300 levels very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, clearly $36 levels is the base it needs to breach in on the downside in order to confirm bearishness. On the upside, 36.40, 36.60 and 36.80, three resistances. If and only if you see silver breaching beyond these three resistances, you can say now the bulls are here, and then we can look forward to a massive rise. Right now you can see a good consolidation here. On the downside, pretty important for silver to trade below $36 levels in order to confirm the downside here. Moving averages have converged here, trying to trade bearish. When you see the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is also trading almost flat, and the RSI is trying to look upwards with a single bullish candle. On the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour chart, see this 36.40 on the downside, 36.10, 36. Very important for silver to come out of this zone in order to confirm a direction it is willing to take. Moving averages have converged, not yet crossed over. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD almost staying flat with moderate bullishness as of now. RSI is trying to look upwards, suggestive of slight bullishness. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation here. The support pretty strong. The resistances are also equally strong here. Let silver come out of any of these levels, and then you can confirm a trade. As of now, it is staying sideways in a no trade zone. Stochastic plays comfortably. MACD has seen a good dip. It is trying to cross over here at the bottom, and the RSI is trading with moderate bullishness. On the 4 hour chart, we have similar observation, nothing different. We will look forward to a breakout either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. On the downside, 36, 35, 80, pretty strong support here. On the upside, 36 80, 36, 60, the strongest resistance. So this zone here is getting critical for silver to break beyond. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with moderate bearishness, the RSI is running flat. Coming to the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, you can look at the rise which silver is shown here. And notice after every rise it consolidates. After every rise, it consolidates. We have seen a reversal sign is here as well. But notice, see here you can see increasing body size, that is increasing bearishness. Also double top here. So it suggests that possibly silver prices might try to trade below 36. But then 36, 35.8 is the zone it needs to breach. Only and only if you see silver breaching below 36, 35.80, you can say now it is time for us to stay short. Where it is going to head, 35.50, 35.40 should be the first target and $35 levels should be the next. The stochastic is placed comfortably. The MACD was trading with extreme divergence. It is trying to converge. We have to wait for a crossover. The RSI is overbought here, which is a sign of slight bearishness. So now on the upside, it is pretty important for silver to first trade above 36.40. The lower price has to be above 36.40. Expect 36.60 as the first target, 36.80 as the next. Once it trades above 36.80, that is the point of time you can confirm the bulls out here. Beyond 36.80, we can look forward to a greater rise here. Then beyond 36.80, if it stays, we will directly look forward to 37.20, 37.30 levels as the first target zone, and in fact 37.80 is possible. After that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 36.10. When you see the higher price below 36.10, then only you should take a sell. And then also, I'll say $36 levels should be the first and nearest support, and then 35.80 the strongest one. It has to trade below 35.80 in order to confirm further bearishness, and then the prices will look forward to 35.50, 35.40 as the first target and $35 levels as the next. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that. Thank you.